Jewelry is always a beautiful accessory, but by comparison, soul jewelry is a real treasure. To India's ancient royalty as well as its spiritual masters, soul jewelry became important heirlooms passed down from generation to generation. They knew that the energetic power of soul jewelry lasts up to 7 generations, which is why it's valuable to take good care of your soul jewelry. Physically cleaning Rudraksha beads is fairly easy. You just need a soft hand brush or a toothbrush and a bowl with lukewarm water. Please do not use soap. Rudraksha like water, so it's no problem to wash them by gently brushing them with water if they get dirty. Just be careful not to brush any gold-plated metal or silver on your soul jewelry so as to not accidentally remove the gold or tarnish the silver. Alternatively, you can also massage your beads with oils like neem or sesame oil, and then take a soft cloth and wipe off any excess oils and dirt. But be aware, your beads will get darker in color. One point I feel is important to mention is that it can happen, and has happened to me personally a few times, that if you keep your mala beads for an extended period of time in a pouch, and you live in a humid climate, your beads can get moldy. To prevent that, it's obviously best to wear and use them as much as possible, or take them out of the pouch periodically so they can soak up some sunlight and breathe. But if they do get moldy at any point, don't worry. Simply brush them with water as described before and let them dry by hanging them up or placing them on a piece of cloth to dry in the direct sunlight. But please, not on the ground. You will hear me say this often, do not place your beads on the ground. Lotus seeds are amazing spiritual beads. They're chunky in size, they're rich in color, and most importantly, very powerful energetically. My Guruji always recommended having at least 1 lotus seed mala along with Rudraksha malas for your meditation practice. Unlike Rudraksha beads, with lotus seeds, as well as with tulsi and sandalwood, you have to be very careful not to bring them in contact with water, since they have a tendency to crack when they absorb the water. So oil is better with lotus seeds. It's recommended to use neem oil, as neem is also an insect repellent, and lotus seeds have a natural tendency to attract and harbor the tiny little lotus seed bug. Now, you might be thinking, what? Bugs? Okay, don't freak out. We are working with natural materials here, and the appearance of the lotus seed bug can be a natural side effect. They don't bite you, they won't harm you, they just crawl, eat, and multiply. So relax and let nature be nature. With that said, any bug surprises can be prevented with simply oiling, wearing, and using your lotus seed mala as much as possible, and not letting it sit in a bag for a long time. With soul jewelry and mala beads, using Rudraksha or other sacred beads, it's not necessary to cleanse them energetically. I know that some people recommend saging or surrounding them with crystals or placing them under a pyramid, and those rituals have their purpose in the traditions that they are connected to. But the knowledge of Rudraksha and other sacred beads that come from the ancient teachings of India's spiritual masters is very thorough and based on deep research that's been proven successful for literally thousands of years. And one of the energetic truths about spiritually activated malas and Rudraksha beads is that they have extremely powerful protection circles against negativity. In one part, this means they don't absorb negativity, they decharge it. These inherent protection circles are also a big part of how the Shakti channels of the mala and beads remain open, and the power remains flowing to and through you. But if you absolutely feel the need to cleanse your jewelry energetically, then we recommend this. On the night of the full moon, place them outside on a cloth under the moonlight and let the rays of the moon wash over the beads. The peak time for this is between midnight and 2 a.m. Or you can do the same process in the very early morning hours, letting the cleansing rays of the dawn and the morning sunlight wash over the beads. For this last option, you don't have to wait for a full moon. You can do this any given morning. Some people love their soul jewelry so much they never want to take it off. And we get a lot of questions about showering, swimming, sleeping with the sacred beads and gems. We recommend not to swim or shower with your soul jewelry to protect the soul jewelry from tarnishing, from getting moldy, or causing other physical damage. But yes, of course, you can sleep with those holy treasures. The Shakti of your activated beads has a powerful effect on you during sleep. However, there are some practical logistics to consider also, like accidentally strangling yourself. I'm just kidding. As an alternative, we recommend keeping them in a pouch under your pillow to prevent breakage. These cover the most important points. If you have any further questions about jewelry care, please do visit our website for more information. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be seeing you very soon.